You are going to love the 2008 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, stability control, air conditioning, driver's side remote mirror, driver airbag. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Hi, I'm Chuck Baker, here to give you a few reasons why to do business at Haley Toyota. First of all, we've got lots of inventory. We've got about 17 acres of new and used vehicles for you to choose from. Come see us at Haley Toyota and find out why it's so easy to do business here. With our great service department, our friendly staff, we'll make it easy for you. And remember, Haley has it for less.